Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about insurance for a cleaning business and how Elite Business Insurance can help you out, make sure you're covered for all the right angles while paying the best price out there. Elite Business Insurance is a full-service independent insurance agency. We offer 24/7 customer service, and what we do is we take your information, depending on what your insurance needs are, and we shop it around through all of our markets, all of our brokers, all of our insurance carriers, hundreds in the state of Florida, thousands throughout the United States. And we basically make sure that we provide you with the absolute best coverage for the absolute best price. Now, in the cleaning business, you have many different risks depending on how big your business is, what kind of cleaning services you're offering. But we take that information and we can figure out what's going to be the best solution for you. So if you're doing floor waxing, that's considered a higher risk. If you're working above 2 stories, if you're cleaning windows, that's considered a higher risk. If you're just doing basic residential cleaning for a residential home, if you are doing commercial work, if you're doing offices, or if you're doing malls, shopping malls, all of these are going to differ in price depending on what your payroll is for your employees, your annual payroll, depending on what your annual estimated sales is for the next 12 months. That's definitely going to determine the price as well. So there's many different aspects, and then there's many different lines of insurance to protect your business sufficiently. So with the cleaning business, the first line of insurance that you're going to need in order to get up and going and start performing work for people while being insured is going to be general liability insurance. Now, what general liability insurance would cover you for is in the case that you're cleaning and you break something and you damage somebody's property, that could be a general liability insurance claim. If somebody, say you're cleaning a floor, you're mopping it up, an hour later somebody walks by and slips and falls and goes down the stairs and injures themselves really bad, that would be a liability insurance claim. So to protect yourself against somebody suing you for property damage or bodily injury, that's general liability insurance, as that is going to be the main exposure of your cleaning business. You want to protect yourself, you want to perform work, and you want to make sure that in case an accident happens, that you're covered for it. General liability insurance policy also packages together advertising injuries. So if somebody tries suing you for false advertisement, or if somebody says that you slandered their name, if you're competing against another business and you're stealing their customers or you're slandering their business, that is what advertising, personal and advertising injury would protect you for. You have additional medical expenses on the policy that protect you in the case somebody gets injured and it's just a minor injury and you don't want to tap out of the liability limit that you have on the policy. Medical expense would cover you for that. If you're renting a premise to perform work, say you're storing your tools in a room somewhere and you're renting out the room and you put one of the tools through the wall or you light the room on fire accidentally somehow, that's what another coverage is called, damage to rented premises, would be on the policy. So general liability packages together a lot, but what it basically protects you for is while you're working, performing work, and after work has been completed, your business operations. That's the basic general liability insurance policy. That's the most important coverage for any business that's getting started or established. Besides that, as a cleaning company, if you own your own building, you would need commercial property coverage. If you're renting a building and you have tools in it, depending on how big your business is, you could have an equipment policy. You could have commercial property policy. If you have office equipment, you got tables, desks, chairs, the whole deal, you're going to need commercial property for that. Workers' comp insurance. If you have 4 or more employees, you're going to be required to carry workers' comp insurance as a cleaning company. So if one of your employees was to get injured on the job site, say they're bending over and they blow out their back, and they try suing you, well, you're going to need workers' comp insurance to protect yourself and your employees in the case of a claim. Commercial auto is another coverage. If you're driving your vehicle, if you're advertising your vehicle, say it's a Steve's Cleaning Services, and you get into an accident. Now, if you have a personal auto policy and you're advertising your business on your vehicle, there is a chance that because you do not have a commercial auto policy, that your personal auto insurance will not pay out the claim. This is because if you're using your vehicle for work, if you're using your vehicle for your business, you need a commercial auto insurance policy. So there's general liability insurance, there's commercial property, there's equipment, there's commercial auto, and then you could also get something called a janitorial bond, which protects your business in the case that you, the owner, or the employees of your business get caught stealing. If you steal from somebody's home, if you steal from an office that you're doing work in, if you get caught, the bond company, the janitorial bond or the surety company who issues the bond would back your company financially. So say you have a $10,000 janitorial bond and you steal a ring for $7,000 and you get caught and you get arrested, the bond company would pay out the customer who had the theft, and then they would come after you for the money. So it's like a little additional backing. It's not insurance, but it's like basically like a loan backing in the case that you get caught stealing, being dishonest. That is what a bond would cover you for. So a lot of times people want to make sure that you're bonded and insured. So through Elite Business Insurance, we can make sure we cover you for all the right angles. Give us a chance, give us a call. We will put you in the best situation possible. We offer that 24/7 customer service, so someone will be here to answer your call at any time. Give us a chance. You will not be disappointed. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.